Hello, everyone. I actually wanted to do a follow-up on the marijuana question and whether it's a ground of inadmissibility, because I was curious about how much ChatGPT did know about the marijuana ground of inadmissibility. So I tried to flesh it out a little bit more. This is kind of equal part, where is the AI lacking as much as an immigration advisal? But I tried to flesh it out a little bit more. So let me show you what I did here. Let me share my screen real quickly. So I first just asked the general question, are lawful permanent residents subject to grounds of inadmissibility? I touched on this in my first part of this video series, which is generally lawful permanent residents are not subject to grounds of inadmissibility, which are grounds to keep you out of the US, unless they've been out of the country for more than 180 days, or, and ChatGPT does miss this, if you have any type of criminal offense under 212A2, including controlled substance offenses, they will view you again as seeking admission back into the US. So they apply both the keep you out grounds of the US, which are contained in INA 212, and they, of course, can also apply the kick you out grounds, which is INA 237. So ChatGPT misses this a little bit. It simply says, you're not subject to grounds of inadmissibility, which is 212, just 237. So, and then it kind of goes into a little bit about 237. Then I re-asked the question because I was curious if I'd get a different answer about whether you can enter the US as a permanent resident with a conviction for marijuana possession. Again, it flat out gets it wrong here. And says you should be fine. I don't know why it says that. And then I tried to see if the AI could understand when a permanent resident is seeking admission, those kind of exceptions I talked about. It gets the outside of the US for 180 days or more exception ground, meaning that if you've been out for a long time, they will treat you as asking to be admitted, therefore 212 applies. So I thought that was interesting. So again, I think the moral of these marijuana questions is there are big holes in the quality of this AI. So if you have any type of controlled substance offense, including marijuana, most people don't call marijuana a controlled substance, but it actually legally is, at least federally. And so make sure you talk to an immigration lawyer on this point. Okay, thanks everyone. Until next time.